My name's Jack. Let's have a look at our... We have an inside look at the Peugeot 208 that we have in. It's a 2019 model. Car's only done 33,847 kilometres on the clock. Interior is very, very clean, very well looked after. Looks like a brand new car. Basically is, I guess. Glove box all working. Very small glove box, but glove box nonetheless. Yeah, radio works.
What's that?
AC works. Takes a second to kick in. You can hear. Car drives. It was involved in a front-on collision, which I will show you now. Here's the extent of the damage here. As you can hear, the car is still running though. We've driven it around a tiny little bit, not too much. Make a note of the interior just once again. It's very, very clean. Seats are in perfect condition. Dash is in perfect condition. Panel wise, this car is very, very clean, minus the passenger side front fender and bonnet and front bumper obviously. Both the headlights have been destroyed in the accident. Driver's one is repairable however. Yeah, very, very clean panels. Other than that, there's no scratches, no dents. Very hard to tell on camera, but it's nothing that I'd make a note of. Vehicle is now available for dismantling. Please visit our website for any parts that you're after, or give our team a call on 03 5943 9100. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.